Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 95 by Nike in collaboration with South Korean retailer WORKSOUT in the medium olive colorway. These were released back on the 5th of June 2025 for the retail price of £190 here in the UK. I picked this up from the Nike Sneakers app and it comes in an OG styled Air Max 95 box with olive hits and WORKSOUT branding on the side of the box. Open up the box, comes with shoes wrapped in paper and silver foil that also have WORKSOUT branding. An extra set of olive laces would have been perfect, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Nike teamed up with WORKSOUT, founded in 2003 by 5 friends, to get a fresh take on the Air Max 95. These founders drew inspiration from their school uniforms growing up, with tech-leaning, minimal yet modern design that bridges the gap between old and new for the next generation. Using the close to original Air Max 95 Big Bubble Air unit, it features a slightly reflective marble texture throughout the upper. The updated lacing system and single molded design includes reflective paneling that adds a pop. Plus, the bold texture swoosh logo takes a nod to the WORKSOUT storefront, while the molded heel represents the shop's leaning interior design. On feet, I went true to size. It has a nice snug fit, while the new Big Bubble Air Max 95s have a wider toe, so there's no need to go up half a size like the previous Air Max 95s. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, drop a like and comment work to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Personally, I like some of the design details and the color scheme is really nice. However, altogether it feels a little bit too busy. Plus, I questioned the durability and breathability with this marble-like synthetic upper. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.